Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to plant Shasha locks. You know everyone knows Shasha locks. So today we're gonna show you how to plant Shasha locks by IV Amazevo. Subscribe and follow up. So when you're doing Shasha locks, you first have to do what we call you first do the hair only, natural hair only. So there, after you plug in the braid, that is a braid. That braid is called Robbie. So that is it. So guys, we do everything better. See the results. Check out the results. See the results. See how she's beautiful. So subscribe. See you next time.